We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. Oh, wonder who it's from. Oh, it come from Etsy Gotham Decor for Julie. Alright, let's get it out. Oh, look how cute. Yeah, package that up beautifully. Alright, alright. Is that everything? That's everything, Miss Salem. Oh, isn't that cute? We're gonna put that in our living room. It's metal, look. It's not that plastic stuff, it's metal. Spooky season. It's a ghosty with the mosties, holding daisies, a witch's hat, a jack-o'-lantern, a black cat, and a tombstone with some pumpkins. That's for the living room. Okay, what else do we get? This one's adorable. A little witch. A little black cat. Looks lovely. Right. Looks like for the living room. We finally got our laundry room black cat laundry stand. Washer, folding, repeat. It's also metal. Lovely. Now I bought this stuff like May 21st, so it took quite some time to get here. I don't know what happened. Hang on. Okay, we got a little cat knob here for the nightstand. That's cute, right? Little gray tabby there. We got a little chain pull for the light switch. Alright, that's cute too, right? Okay, there's the, they send you two because you don't know what it says. So you take the knob off over here. Hang on. I'm going to replace this knob right here. Alright, okay. Replace that knob with this cat knob. Wow. It may have took a while, but it got here finally. Okay. Which is your favorite piece? The double switch plate here? The single switch plate. I love this look here. Got a crescent moon. All spooky with the black cat. Or the laundry room sign with the two black cats. Alright. What do you think, Luna?
Oh, I think it's awesome. I want the bag.
Alright, there it is on the nightstand. It's cute, right? A little tabby. Alright, we got the chain link on here. I need to shorten it because it's gonna walk right into it, like scrubs my head. I'm gonna have to shorten it somewhat. But it'd be fine. Look. Get it shortened up there, it'd be good. Look how cute that is. Alright, we're down here in our laundry room. So, it's the laundry room. Okay. And right here at the switch point. Now it says, very important notice, when installing switch plate, do not over tighten screws or scratch with metal object, or it may result in damage to the artwork. Now remember, Cool Cats and Kittens is artwork. Alright, look how cute that is. Gosh, girl. We're going to paint this next. I did fill in the crack. Alright, look at that. Look what I can draw done. Because it's textured, so I also textured spackle. Alright. Okay, that's lovely. Next. Alright, all you cool cats and kittens, look. I got it up. I didn't like how this little screw here was all orange and the cat's tail goes right through there. So I fixed it with some Sharpie. Had a little black there. So that way it doesn't stand out as much. Alright. That little black on this side too. Just to even things out a little bit. What do you think? Isn't that adorable? It's adorable, ain't it? Alright. And there, boom. Over here at the door, we got the other one up. That's adorable too. This should have been green. I'm going to try to find me a little bit of paint there and make that a little bit darker green so it doesn't stand out as much. See, the top one kind of blends in, but the bottom one just stands out, right? I don't know where Jenny Weasley is. She ain't out here. Oh, she's up under the car. I see her now. You see Weasley underneath the car. I see her. Might not pick up on the camera. She's out there under the car. Okay. All right. I got these off Etsy, but you can also buy similar ones on Amazon. That's cute, right?